family Leonardo. Me na Sylvia Roberts, I present for Sarah Network Production, and I then I with my colleague
Tina Sise from Sarah Network Production.
Well, me family then we then I today for talk about price control in our country. Of course, we all know say every day price they go up, price they can down.
And the people now also they blame the market woman. The market woman they blame the Ministry of Trade and City Council.
And they talk say then they pay 1,000 per tray. Imagine if you get 10 tray of market, they pay 10,000 euros.
And not even tap pay. Then they even pay for sweep. And all day the markets are all dirty.
But wait, so Tina, we think the City Council then they do their work.
Well, we're not there for judge.
Exactly. We're not there for cast blame by anybody so far. But to go once now for let una self join with reporters there. We're gonna Dovecourt market and talk with the market woman and say self na Dovecourt.
Hello viewers, my name is Aisha Bundu Kamara Aristo and with the report for Sarah Network Production. I'm here with my colleague when Jalika Tumusise N. Well, today we did Dovecourt. We talk on price control. So for let you get the whole thing and make you come at the market and make me and you to talk to the market woman there. We got this woman there where they sell na Dovecourt, pepper with the CCD, all other things. Very gentleman, they sell chicken. So they are except for una sell, but not the facing for the price control.
But right now, like the pepper so right now, it's not easy for we sister them. And you go buy. When I go buy the pepper, they buy in a village, they buy 500. When they pay transport, they can. When they don't sell long, the money they come out. When they end up forget losses. And some business then they not all the physical money they buy. Now take they go take them. But the transport and they pay the transport can. When they can sell, people money they fashion. So pass in a other kind of way, they flop people money, they go pay at the village. So like he says that's when they sell the pepper, they get 5 picking them. A man need a work. So now through this pepper, they survive with picking them. And the same cry you give the cry they explain so give me. Say it's not easy for them. The debt in the welfare right now more than 3 million people pepper them. Not to say that they eat more, where they sell the money they come out.
So now that make the price control. Today they did 2,000, tomorrow they did 2,500.
Yes. So what's the present price of the pepper?
That right now they sell 2,000. But upon now 2,000 when they sell, the money they come out. They want him back now they earn. Yes.
So now you pay tickets?
They pay tickets every day. These 2 black, all there is 3 peppers now. They pay 500. One tap.
If you want to put that still so?
Yeah, they pay. They pay 2 tickets. When they come in and 3 blacks now, they pay. When it's 1 grain black, 1 grain back pepper, and then they turn this 3 black.
So how much are the pepper for bag present?
Present 500. Rather than 500 pepper.
So if you sell 2,000, how much you they gain there?
Well, some bag then they where you sell, the money they cut. Some bag then they the money na in the come out. Some bag then they them mention sell some bag then they get stay they get more than 10,000. Maybe the government help we, but it's not easy for we. It's not easy for we at the homes then.
So how about the transportation now? Like one at the Bona village for go take pepper, they come to the city. How about the transportation?
It's not easy. We they pay excess.
How much are they paying for transport?
Well, we they pay from inside the village and buy cow and a door. We they pay. From there, we generate transport for coming to.
Okay, thank you very much.
May the government sorry for we, may help we. It's not easy for we at the market. So it's not easy for we. May the government sorry for we. May they know that we put them there yesterday. Now we dance for them. Now we sing for them. We do all kinds of things for them. Do ya? May they sorry for we at the market back. It's not easy for we at the homestead.
Well, and so una self do you for una self, una relax, make una listen to more market woman waiting again for sale. That's not the name, man.
I mean, I'm Kariatu Dumbia.
How many years you don't live for this business?
Over 20 years.
That means you know a lot about the granite business. So when we talk about price control, we want for know like I believe say that by bag you dey go buy on a village. I don't really know. So make me say they ask you how you dey go about and take for count and a store. Then the other people they sell by cup can buy to you.
Well, we na Luma we can go buy. We dey go buy Madina Lumba inside Cambia. We dey buy by cup. I like all this bag I see and so by cup all we dey buy. We flop the bag that we so one. Each one cup we dey buy 2,000 per cup. We can sell on 2 for 1 cup. The only difference, the couple they buy with upline with how they sell it. That and the cup now they buy with upline. Don't we can put that single cup. We sell on 2 for cup.
So if I can ask you, what's not the reason? Even though I know I'm from Cambia, but what's not the reason we na 2 for cup?
As yourself know, me na big woman. I get me picking there. I get me family. Any kind I need money. So by that why they sell me say they get small for attend to million people in me picking there.
So my own question is that does it mean you know they work according to the government your own price now your own price you put or anything?
Government don't give me price yet for sell granite too. We dey go buy granite, walares, per mine. And not see it government put price saying na so for selling. So we dey go buy. We can put small, we sell, we say we get small. Transport.
So that's all man they sell on a one, all man get your own price.
We not so they sell because we now we go buy. Like this granite they sell now 2.2. You go down here and I go find out saying at 2.5 in the seller. We now because now we they bring and come, we they sell at 2,200. If you go down here and now, where you go ask, we say 2.5. Because then self and then we then they can buy, then go put for sale. Okay. We now we they bring and come.
Since you cancel aware of that, for the price will not be the same in the market.
Well, I don't know if they can ask, but then they obvious they must not say not to the same price. They
so
must know that.
For bag now.
Well, we get different price. You get this and shake, the shaken, they sell at 600. Don't like the Biwi bag, they sell at 900. The Biwi, now big bag, where they contain 450 cups. So like if some can go buy, some they can buy for go sell, we nearly give them the same like go buy, but then say go sell and get small. So now the difference that this time like 600, and like this big bag now 900, now so the same.
Okay. So Mama, I want to say thank you for your time. And what you wanted?
Yes, the main message you get are the transport. The transport is dear, say dear. If they can able put the price and down for we, it go fine. The transport and they make, we go sell fine, and they make we not they sell fine. So if the transport can down, I believe say the price have go can down. So now the transport more, the transport can they fine. Like we so we day, we go for buy 45,000 per aid. Now they pay for go. For come back 45,000. Don't them bag here. Then them small bag out they pay 20,000. Then them big bag out they pay 30,000 for one bag for Bianca. We go for pay store. We go for pay city council ticket. So you see, but at least if the price don't count, the transport don't count, it go fine for we all. So now that.
Who self then also they blame the market woman then, and to self they hear from the market woman then. When I still there with me, we still interview more market woman then. Thank you, ma'am.
Well, as you see, we still learn at those spots. They also sell fish. What's in your name, ma? I mean, how much they sell? I put on 2,000. So how much you buy for the carton?
Carton at 200,000.
So like if fish not done at all, how you do one? If you not done,
It's not done, and they go wrap up. So they sell more, they pass a wrap.
next in
Now the other next I can sell.
for the same price.
No, the price they use, and then we sell like the same price. Money will come out.
How? So when I go buy the cartoon, now the fixed price when I get all at times price they change.
Price they change. And so they buy all with 200,000.
So you okay with that price there?
I'm not happy with that. Well, I want them put the market send on. Because right now, since Ranga, sell no day, the market there, the band there, they punish too much. Also put the market, man, sell me a day, with the punish show, the punish them day, never punish them. Sell me a day, the market there, the band there, one.
we get for go down back for see what to go on. We need for talk about sugar and other things. Thank you very much.
Thank you. So, my sister, what's your name? Okay, Mama Kuma. And because this is Ogie, I know saying I'm from this venue. So make her ask us, how much of the new for pop? Now, so you always the 2.5?
No, you change the price.
They go up or they can go?
They keep go up. You want the way you used to for buy it. If it's for man, then you do something. And they said I give you 2.5. Because that's 3,000.
So who say you can buy the Benny for Kauta? Okay, so now I serve from the Benny, now I serve the Duan to the 1,000. So the Ozi first a big pastor. So why the Ozi now small?
Yes. And the Benny will not have bag
900,000 for one bag. Because now most people they say, you know the market man, they make the thing they do, the market they do, the thing they do. So what you think about people that are also they watch you?
the government and tell them the bag, made them put some the back the bag and you can't talk with ball and so small small. They say this so good, small that's to add for them. The back way you know camping under the stand so all the way they sweat. The next dog to counter pass to use this and back to add them. We sell them.
Okay, you know say they know so not to the market man the fault. Now the price control, so many things they cause the price control, transportation, fuel. We still in a dove court and we still in with we as we show now more. Okay, thank you, China. Okay, the family are there with you here too. Now dove court, Egan Street. And they sell so many things. They sell rice, they sell oil, they sell yabas of fruit ogiri and starch. Salt. Okay, now salt. They sell salt. So I want to ask you until you give. I want to start from the rest. You cannot say this rest and not to salon the planter. Okay, so how much do they buy the bag rest?
My rice are this 255.
This one, which sour, where the butter rice?
Butter rice 200,000
for the bag. Yeah. Then you sell how much for cup?
1 kg. This 1.5.
And so you always then have a fixed price and they?
Well, no. Now this will be about 180. We will sell at 1,100. Okay. So you go up to 185 to 190.
Okay.
So now change the price.
Okay. So what about the oil? The oil bag, you know, say not to Saloya and imported. But how much the
butter? They buy 170. They sell 3,000. So that's 3,000 in half pints. The full pint we want at 3,500.
So now sewing back the fix, eh?
Yes.
Okay, now fix. What is your bas there?
Your bas that's how they buy 225
for the bag.
230. The big one 250. So they sell 2,000, 215.
Okay. So if I ask for the salt again.
Salt back, you know, say no try they now to the come. In back this measure cup they sell at 2 cup 1.5. Then this milk cup they sell at 500.
What about the fruit bag?
Ah well, India pass on to. Your fruit they buy 1,750,000.
The ordinary of fruit?
Yes, so each one 20,000, 22,000.
I mean, if you don't get money,
well, I made it slow. Because people they want to buy money, so it's difficult. They sell no day. Things down there, so they make proper government. Like, make for we now the wataki more than wataki day. Because if the wataki custom, no they waiting and call. I believe say when people they go take their market or buy, the goods they go can. But that wataki day, now they it's trouble. So when people don't go pull in container, they can auction. They want sell for let money come out. You see, yes, all thing. So now that they make so they make proper government. Yeah, they make.
the whole thing candle. They carry the country be there. Guys are the country now. The ground is dry.
So, my family and to myself, until we thank you very much. Yeah, God will make a way. Okay, thank you.
Well, okay, we're still in that of course. Right now we don't talk about the permit. So we want to know what's the prices of them things they are so and how we go about it. So what are you do and what's in your name?
Okay, now good afternoon. My name is Usman Tarawali. Okay. I descend a gas street, number 15 gas street. Okay, the ask me what Empamada. Empamada, the one who say they suffer for getting Empamada. Because according to Fossard, they go for what they do from a village. They suffer tear and cow their officer, they can't hold most of some other properties there. Obviously, no fear. Well, they don't Empamada, well, look out, they don't Empamada, they buy them 1,000, right? I look at this 5,000 they buy. But no blame to them where they buy them Empamada because according to them, can they spend even from the communal village. The expenditure they had in spend transport. What's them that pay right and also they pay again. Would they tell Papa government let them take for FP? Most of them properties are where they them properties are only pay and their cost.
So how much for this per mine?
Well, like this so and at 6,000 they buy this. Like this one so this now 15,000, 12,000 they keep right now. And mess my fish over the plate bag. Or this so they happy with that because the time for more events they want to go before. Most of you now they from bad habits. Because like most of us are responsible. Yeah. I like you they tell Papa government say most of them transport affairs and now more than care we. Because back blame the one the way they cancel them property there. Because according to the transport, I made them how they come by as there. Now this that they tell Papa government they take for people transport affairs the more. Yeah. So that's we are arguing more than the
$9 something. If you go to $900 and something, you go buy pepper. You go for pay custom. Where you come out and they sell a pass and sell and gear. Now one day back pepper, we take around 1 million 200. You go pay custom. We say you go pay transport, you pay custom, you come. You don't change for the $9.10. I expect possible cancelling load. We are the Papa government. We are Uglado where you get the power. Because I don't time this or get your own power, but put help in this country here. Maybe dollar can't on small more together than get freedom. Would they pay keeper 1,000 sweep? Would they pay CC council all together and get them duty there? But now CC council don't care about sweep the market. We now they pay their money they all power angry market. Who got woman and auto to load. Home load for pay extendability, but who I read the kilo and the choco, do I call the extendability? May no say, Timona we are stress. We don't forgive lunch, we pay school fees, they make this uniform, books, money or strength, dear. Fear dear Papa government, be put here to do, make control this government here, make things better for we. More man than go, because man, no, go, woman, they suffer, woman, and they suffer too much. So man no go. Yeah, Papa government, every Monday, the Monday, let them go, better help you now. You know them, Boku. Once you saw woman, they can't go to jail for them there. Suppose you don't go take post, you don't sell. You know get begin school fees scam, post rent scam, pass you take post money pay. La la na them call la la. But woman no then na jail so not so for say some money they eat am o. Na them problem here na who dey cause that. Dear Papa government. They beg you put help out together they be a big. Na no more. Bio
50 for back. So 200 get. There we dey beg Papa government. Now we vote for India while we pikin dey go college. They can't work no day. Woman no get work. O send there. While on the people feeding down the field. They are the beg una. Like with this woman is so. With the woman they get 5 o'clock, 5:30, 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock, then a line. Woman in a good work. With the woman I already strike now. So there while they come for picking them. Let them prepare the food with the field. We begin to come on college. Work not day. You don't spend. So with the woman I got the body down the beg Papa government. Here go help Mother Bio. Thank you for that. Another able to talk to you, say that to you. I did 22 21 August.
Well, as you see, we still in a drop cut. The market woman they don't grumble. Hey, it's not easy. So now I want to know what's the price of the yesterday also. What's the you know?
I am Sabra to Kamara. Now where's are they sell?
How much for the cup?
Well, they buy the bag 200,000, 250. Tindon Sanga. Not all man get for buy. When say 1 3, they know they buy. So do your papa government, I only put the rest down. Like me, so I get 10 gram picky, how they talk to me. Me picking and they oh me picking come out college, you know get no work. It's on day. I mean the bolang, now I they turn back. Bolang survive no more, dear papa government. I greet you, I welcome you, but we have put this rest down, they will survive.
Okay. Even if you don't get here so now, how much
this now 1.5.
Even Wallace when we don't get so they plant now. So we want to know where to make even Wallace when now we the
plant. The back for Idia 250 for 1 grain bag. Not all man they get that money for buy 1.5. Dear Mother, the president, who beg dear, who let the rest stand up. Why would I eat better food? Who they forget about who? Also so.
And that is a from the market woman. They say they need the price for condom. Even say they put their market and they pay for them. So we still in enough cost we they go down.
Tickets are done there. The tickets 1 rubber 1,000. You get 10 rubber 10,000. Hey papa government, sorry for we. Now be nice for you. Now I don't can put me past this. Do you beg? And the order and they agree to fight. I welcome you.
Thank you very much. Of course we round over of course. Go see what's in this woman. Go tell we about your market. Thank you.
Right now I don't with it. You show me name man.
Auntie Abi, about to say.
Okay, Auntie Abi about to say they sell rice, they sell beans, they also sell cookies. So first of all, apart from this, I don't know what for the cookies. The cookies, the man they go and say small where they buy. Why make the rest small?
All thing there. We dey go buy the water because me wala rest time me dey cook. I dey go buy the water rest 1.5 for cup. Then I dey buy the palm 3,000 for pint. The fish is there. The plasas 1 grain China 5,000. What you make and collect money from what they say get and now I get 5 picky the one they responsible for. The two now they can't see to also. The other way go let's see today. Where you can I can't say say for go the camp. They say 650,000. Now the camp I dey go for go they say they sit. Now they all work when they come for me the crack for pastor I go drink medicine. Because they all three they get for situation. So me they pull am money dey. 1,800,000. So me they pull am. Money no they sell no day. Be our bag of to the beg, I do for we something. Be na beg with the beg.
Okay, mommy. What about this bench way?
This bench I would go buy 800,000 for bag. They would go buy 800,000 for bag. You can pin at 2,000. Look at from Tewa Tona, sell no day. From this one you have to. Then they keep a back they can sell no day. Then they keep a camp and they pay 1,000 and 1,000. Then after I don't go, then these people them back they camp for pay 1,000. Look at from Tewa Tona, sell no day. Then we don't go pay 3,000. So go government to the beg.
Because I believe say when they pay the cheaper them. Now for my own development, when they send the development where they pay them 1,000 for the cheaper for clean the market. For the other thing.
Then they clean on all the people that they can't clean. I didn't say they can't clean. What do you say they can't clean? They will pay them back. And like it's all in the market, so 1,000 they pay. Like this one, 2,000 they pay. They only clean it come back. The other they skip, who they pay back. So who knows you know development what would they pay that 2,000 that 1,000 because the one they sleep they pay them. Then they pay back city council. So the bag of that one I do for we today and I beg with the beg. This country I say don't wanna the ground is dry let's say no day.
But you get for pen ice.
Let's say no day
so the ground ya.
Me right now let's be picking that can't tell me say they say for go camp. Get 600,000. I get 3 people there for 6 hours. Who say me they pull out money day? Me hear the crack was pass I go drink medicine. Sell no day. Who say me they pull out 1,800,000 day for go pay for go camp. Who say me they pull out money day?
Yeah, His Excellency.
Thank you very much for
okay. Who say we tell that thank you. Let all things stand up.
His Excellency Brigadier Julius Manadio.
My name is Lima Sadi.
Okay, I see say they sell crane.
Plasas are the trading.
Okay, different plasas there.
Yes, green, crane, cassada leaf, all kind of stuff plasas.
Okay.
So how much for this one side?
This one side right now they for auction at 1.5.
Me they go buy 30,000 for them.
So when you the auction now, so it mean that yesterday plus on a today.
And today down. They would can sell today.
So how much they go buy them?
We buy 30,000 right now.
For the bag?
No, for dozen.
For dozen, yeah. They will not pay transport carrier. So how much is transport?
Transport the bundle. If the bundle big, they pay them 50, 30,000. How the bundle they no more for big. Then when they can now so now sell no day, they can sleep on that pole. We do clinic, they sell no day. And so no more pass to auction now. They call the auction. Where money no day? Money no day. We all the picking them school business inside for mile. Anything money, they can miss me picking. They sit, they care. For let it go from 200,000 and then go ask me for. So all and the money we that's another day. We they suffer, we they beg the power, we they beg Papa government. Let's all do something for we the woman that they suffer. Some of we man they not day for help we. We get some picking them, I get some picking them right now. Them Papa not they alive. So now me they take care of them and picking them. They all. So I they stood at the strain. They work I can't sell back. I not see it, I not see it.
So I normal price for these plazas.
Right now this one, now 1.5 I can sell.
Normal price. Apart from one guy, you don't sell it. How you don't plant seller?
How plant seller? Walking counter, so they will sell 5,000 for 4,000. But for now, we first we sell 2,000, 1.5 right now 1.5 at the parcel. They buy the 5,000. They only can buy 5,000. After they buy 40,000. We may buy to 50,000 for dozen. Now we buy 30,000 for now.
Okay, that means another right price.
Okay.
So mommy, you where they sell half bag because since you don't know more, you sell the how you go about buy the half bag because you are woman. How you look for selling plastic?
And then me from government, I must have said 5,000. I don't eat them. One block they inside me bag right over the fence. I don't eat. I sell no. You pay some money no day. So the bar they beg like make the money then lose. If money they sell the day. All money they supposed to one buy, but money no they have for buy. So they are they beg and let me see them for we business for we step we will survive. Because right now two by you pound they will survive. If you don't make things like this, no way will survive. So they beg and pay government.
Okay, if I'm still with me, I'm all still there around.
I check a camera.
So what do they sell?
Now fish are they sell. I can manage my life, but the fish they are right now. The small fish are no more. I don't know how to call it. Now we go back na Kolugumo dia. And not the sorry for we know because we know the government if you know they put price on. Now we made them put price on. Therefore control them and see the fish there we see no more now. Pinchi. Why they sell at now 2,000. Then they buy it done. Why they put out so people they come with fish they not find yeah. Is that? See how the way they can put 2,000 they run. Because fish they mature, right sir, they not mature. Yeah. The catch where they come back, it's not normal inside self. The bad yeah. If I get back water for Christ, I swear to God, and they torment we. I make they put this complaint to Papa government, you lost our Excellency President Richard Brigadier. Very sorry for you. They made them put message in as if now lock, better lock both with the beer. Made them lock with them because for lock. Wait till made they lock. That Chinese man there, they're not sorry for you. Say they fish at the small where they can't put Sprite. They make money now.
The Chinese they sell fish on a Sierra Leoneans there.
Now Chinese they can't sell. Now
okay, now Korean man they fish. Not the Sierra Leoneans. Then when they count and then they count the price.
Then they can't put the price now. Now how they can't buy no more now. Yes. Forget that they can't take for you. Now so we are the final consumer then they can buy.
Okay, the company fishing they go buy to the Japanese there or to the Korean there.
To the Korean there.
Una self go buy na the company.
Na the company.
Okay.
Yes.
So meaning that the Korean they will serve the fish and as alone.
Yes. Exactly. That's what it look like, my sister. We dey beg Papa government they are men sorry for we. Let them talk to them let them pick 5 fish there. We dey change them bembe them for change them. Retire change them for change them. Let push if you change and change, you go able to get normal fish. What would they sell? You get to own. Do ya? That's how youth man they work no day. If you they sell, if you they get fine fish, better they come.
Yes, better they come.
If not thief chef, I get mango thief. They get me money. But fish and they give trouble. They go don't sell a pass. I go beg the CC only money there. Fish, where's no money? Ghana small they add poverty.
All the face are on bad.
Hey, where is your government want me face? Government no shame me na rare, but where they selfish? Are they selfish land not thief? Indeed, trust.
Thank you very much.
Now line are there about the selfish land not thief. Yeah, the government get bang bang.
Now, if you never let sister, that's the catch you here. Most of sister, Abga,
okay, Una, thank you very much. Your name again?
Idrissa Usman Tarawali.
Ishaka Kamara.
Okay, Idrissa Ishaka, Una, thank you very much. I'm glad you do the
Mama there now them to survive here.
Una, thank you very much.
Let God bless them.
Government go hear una complain.
Inshallah.
Okay. I say it's man the green granite. Different in there. Some of them they take for green 1 cup granite or 1 leaf glass.
500 each. Casa leaf now, only green casa leaf there. Because why? Casa leaf filled with too much. Though not all tea with the green, with the green only ginger with granite. Yeah.
So why you now 500? Because first now be 200, 100 euros. So nobody say transportation only for this soon.
But the difference, because while like these tables way small, so they pay 80,000 for months. So the one will get the land, will get the place. Number 2, the massive plants by the way now. First, we buy the 85,000 right now 220. So by that, we get for paying a store, and we pay tickets 1,000. Then we pay sweep and back for the same door too 500. So it costs me now $5 per cup.
Well, fair enough. What about the ginger?
The ginger you only left to the price where your customer, at least most of the customer where you can fast regularly, you not get a price. But as actually first we gain 1,000 ginger 500.
Well, my family are then at off court as a youth man then before they go thief or do any other thing. So then I so for them at the service.
Actually, we get for cry to government for youth man there. Mostly all the past governments there, we need a girl job. So like me, so 2004, I believe and sell na Abacha Operation Fiflo clear me. So I prefer camp and green. Before doing that, is what my problem there. I pay my strength, pay my school fees from the picking there. So before then, I able to try what we will get me when we survive with my own family. So actually, we decide to government the price control. The most inside selling we not get price control. The banners come when it's we feel for sale. We actually 1,000 to buy, they put 5,000. So we not get side for go before we tell like some of the company we not get thinking, we not get family affairs. Then the job back so we make Ukana back with the we level best. So before then, maybe they talk and then Mahmoud content.
So my family we still in a Dove Court, but it's not to no more this they affect. They even affect the youth man also. So we are still with we as we talk to more people. Thank you very much.
Thank you very
much. We still in a Dove Court community where we get the youth and when they protect the community. So my family una make we talk, make we hear from the SSF. So my brother, what's now on a name there?
So me name Abbas Fofana.
Okay, where you?
My name Ibrahim Vandi, Blacker. Me name is Young.
Okay, now you on a base.
Now we born.
So now can you tell we small thing about the community because we also talk about price control. As you know, we don't interview Boku Makituma and them. So what now your view for the price control at the market?
Well, now we don't view the market for price control because in the market, certain things they see people in the camp who can buy business. If they start for ask for one business, they tell you say something this are 50,000. And where B say the price not to say for B, just because of no more atrocity don't they take place in the country, make people in the camp for S price go up. And meanwhile now, salon will not get price control. Price control in this country. And we said, so we can sit down, we know they feel good for them market woman, they come out far away. Can come buy business and market. You don't have say, this year for come buy 500, the way can see 1,000. So how you go able to buy this thing? So until you come buy more than one, the way you can, they can't tell you that price. They never buy again. Don't see it.
So how they affect you as youth and the community?
Well, now either affects we as a youth in the community. Now we don't see say we know the youth in the community now. We they take care of the market. Now we they clean the market. Well, we person sell, where you sell you get money, you go able to give it. Tomorrow where they come for cancel, you go able to make your place clean. But if the money not there for let that market tomorrow online and because of that price control, how you go able to give me tomorrow where you go come for let you can make your place clean. You not get for big. You don't say.
So una where they clean for the market woman there now city council they pay una or na the market woman they pay una?
Well now this don't be now the market woman and they pay me.
Because I guess for no say the market woman where they sell na streets and we get tables around it of course everybody they pay tax. So now that make they say why now the market woman never pay now? Why is the city council for they in charge of all landing?
Well now then they make we know say now then they make we try for talk say now who don't they na this market here now the youth man now and I now we say about say pass we sweep before we get and job no day we no know the way get work. Now that sweep work no more bet all about pa. All day within a market right now if you go inside market they meet youth man and sit down there. Now if you don't market man not sell, how you go able to get money for can give you? You don't see and so now yonder we say about although we they work we don't body with city council. We know the work on we no more. We the work in body with city council.
So if I cut the black, how are they in work with city council? City council are they work under or una na job private like where you sabi 1 or 2 cc. They say okay can't touch this for me or una they work hand with the city council. City council in a pay una because no say market they pay 1,000 for clean. But that 1,000 they believe say cleaning the inside of the market, taking care of the market today. So one know where you say they will work alongside with city council because people then go there now host not go understand for make me they understand when they work hand to hand with city council or una the market no more 1-to-1.
No, they work hand to hand with the council because it make you know go grab promo you say you go form an organization for yourself where you know go through that body there so you don't say and pass that body they get for work with before things get for go fine so we work with them. We don't share man and the back.
And we did with the chairman, the youth and chairman where they talk about now the place. So waiting you when you say you everybody they call you chairman. Waiting make you chairman now the Dovecot community.
Waiting make me chairman. According to me, efforts what they do. Who like they say la mobilize me brother there. Lord work 1-to-1. Because the area où they feeding poil, où they are poil. So I put my brother I want to allow to maintain the area that used to man stage.
So like, una they maintain the area and waiting una they do na the community for the people as youths waiting na the things the way una they do.
Well, what they do na the community. Because they partake many things in the community like say all the markets can do how can clean the like if it's some begging up in an area who the youth man then how they mobilize who they yes so then say we can do that. And I will tell Papa government say let them help we want to say there's as then now small thing go they realize them man go they motivate more for do them thing and they will believe say other man them back now their own community then go copy your style back whole thing go fine.
So thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Well, Tina this now. Me family there. Until una self don't see and you from what we Dovecot market woman they don't say. But we know they are for put blame by anybody so far.
Sylvia, just imagine. The market woman fuel don't go up, and they pay for transportation and they pay for toll road. So if you don't go buy your market, far like Fadugun, then you carry with the market. What do you expect?
Me, I don't think the market woman and they are lie. Because that is one of the reasons the way they make price they go up, price they cannot now we can't see. Because you know don't go buy your market there you get for campaign at store. You get all that petty thing that we get for pay for as a market woman.
Look the kind of resources then where we get. Look the sea. We get big sea, big ocean. We not believe say we fish them. Not so even we they in charge.
That's what the market woman then say.
Now foreigners, in fact, Korean man then in the country. Just imagine.
But me, waiting on mommy get for say, Papa government do ya? Would they help for beg for the market woman there? Do ya, Papa, listen to them cry? Do ya? When a woman there, who says safety now? You know how we can feel where they gonna market.
Indeed.
We know how the market sound like, Papa. For buy pepper, says everyone go up. Fish, we know they able to get good fish again. If you want eat good fish now, you owe. You get for all boku money now you earn. Do ya, Papa government? Do ya attend to them market woman they had them cry? Do ya
really the strain
as woman?
We the woman who they gonna market. We know what to they face, Papa government. Do ya a big? How they rob more spandis?
The market is really dry.
To God.
First say they all 50,000. They eat plenty food.
But now it's not easy.
I find fish, but now it's not easy now. We can't see. All thing they up. This adopia, this crisis here, this price control here, it really money. Do you have Ministry of Trade? Do you have that they would beg? Una put attention to the market woman there. Now they all win at this country here. Do you? This na news say they come up from Sarah Network Production.
Stay tuned and stay connected.
Una join me every week for more information. Thank you, Sylvia Robert.
Tina Sise.